So there's a general consensus that if you bite something and you die, it's poisonous, but if something bites you and you die, it's venomous. But what is it if you are a researcher and you're handling a bird and then you inadvertently touch your mouth and your mouth goes numb? Well, that is also poisonous, and that bird you were touching is probably the hooded pitohui. The hooded pitohui, and yes, that's how it's pronounced, is a species of bird found in New Guinea. And what's special about this is that they are one of the few birds that are actually poisonous. These birds were technically discovered to be poisonous in 1989 when a researcher who was studying them caught one and was handling it with his bare hands, and when he inadvertently later touched his face, he discovered that it went numb. And I say technically discovered, the New Guinea natives knew it was bad the whole time to eat because they called it a trash bird, basically, because you can't eat it because it's toxic, but nobody acknowledges that. So what's up with this bird? Nobody completely 100% knows why it's poisonous, but one of the hypotheses is that it gets its toxin from the beetles that it eats. One hypothesis is that it comes from these beetles, the mellurid, I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, the mellurid beetles that the birds eat, but that's just a hypothesis and it is not confirmed. But what is confirmed from analysis of the feathers done after is that the feathers contain a toxin called batrachotoxin, which is also found in the skin of poison dart frogs, which is pretty neat because I think up until this, the poison dart frogs were one of the only species that were known to have this specific toxin. So yeah, this fun and spicy little bird is one of the only known poisonous birds, which is pretty cool. So don't eat them.